Hi, welcome back. In this video, we will learn what exactly is HTML. So, HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Okay? So, HTML is the standard foundational markup language used to create and structure web pages, enabling browsers to display content like text, links, images, and multimedia. We can display videos as well, which we will see in this course. It uses a system of tags and elements to define the structure of documents such as headings, paragraphs, lists, and so on. Okay? So basically, HTML is used to structure the web pages. And here, in this particular name, the hypertext markup language, this markup language part is very important. Basically, what is happening, we are marking up different elements for the browser to display differently. For example, if we want to show a heading, then what we have to do, we have to mark like, hey, this is a heading, then this is a paragraph, and so on and so forth, right? So that the browser can display us the content properly. So we are marking up the elements so that the browsers can display the elements properly. Okay, so this name, the hypertext markup language, is properly justified here. Okay, so this is the small introduction of HTML. What exactly is HTML? And in the next video, we will write our first HTML code.